Welcome to day 29 of the Python Programming Challenge, and have I got something exciting for you. Today is project day, and we'll be converting a PDF file into an audio file. I know, sounds exciting, right? Let's begin. Hello, everyone, and welcome to day 29. It is 29 days, almost a month of the 100 Days Python Programming Challenge. And today, have I got something really exciting for you. We're going to convert text to audio. Why do I have text here? Text to audio. So we will be using two packages, the Google Text to Speech library and the Pygame library. So Pygame is a free open source cross-platform library for development of multimedia applications like video games in Python. And then the Google Text to Speech, we're going to be using the API will write spoken MP data into a file and etc. and etc. So the first thing that we have to install is our Google Text to Speech, which we would run using pip install gTTS, and we're also going to install Pygame. So I have successfully installed all the packages. So what are the things that I want to do? I want to be able to get the input from the user. I want the user to be able to enter a text. And then when the users enter the text, I want to convert it into an audio and save it in a file. And then I want to play the content of the audio file immediately. So then let me import the packages that we installed, and then I would define a function that I would use. My function is going to take in two parameters. It's going to take in the text, and it's also going to take in the output. So to take both the input and the output. The text, which will be the input from the user, and the output would be the MP3 file that we want to save the audio to. So this is what we have. We have dev text to speech, and the text is input, and the output is our file name. So now I want to use the Google Text to Speech library. So I would use text to speech. This is my variable I'm defining. So then I'm converting the text to an audio, and I'm saving it into an output file. So this already converts to audio and saves to an output. But that's not all that we want to do. We want to be able to play it. We want to be able to play the audio after we have saved it. So that's where Pygame comes into place. I want to be able to initialize Pygame. I want to be able to load the output file, and I want to be able to play it. So these are three things that I want to do. So this initialize, it loads the file, and then it plays the content of the file. And I want to be able to play the whole file in its entirety before the function stops running. And this is what we would have. So while pygame.mixer.music gets busy, then I want it to continue. To learn about continue, you can watch our video on break, continue, on pass, and pass, which was on day 13. So this is my function. Convert the text to audio, saves it in an output file, initialize pygame mixer, loads the output file, and plays the content of the output file. So now the next thing would be to get the input from my user. So I have input, enter the text to convert to audio, and then I would call my function. To learn about calling functions, there's a video coming soon on that. Watch out for it. Text to speech. And then I have my text. So this is a very simple function. And if I run it now, we will be prompted to enter our text, and it will convert it to audio. So now let me run. So enter the text to convert to audio, and then I will paste my text here. And then when I click on enter.
Hello. Thank you for watching this video. Funmi is the best teacher ever. Check the link in the description to learn how to support this channel.
So you see that the text was read in completion before the code stops running. That's why we have this in the code. That is it for this video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And as always, the link to the Jupyter Notebook is in the description, so check it out and let me know what you think of our video so far. We're going. Thank you. Bye for now.